Hi y'all, this is Penny from PennyLaneJournals coming to you today with uh, another of my nature journals called Nature's Beauty. I'd like to give a shout out today to Artsology Mushroom Splendor. You'll see several of her digitals in the journal, and also to Nikki Adijan, whom I've gotten a couple of ideas in constructing pockets and so forth. So thank you so much, ladies, for sharing your wealth of knowledge and creative integrity. I do so appreciate it. So let's get right to the journal. You can see that it has a sash that is brought around the journal twice and then tied in a bow to keep it closed when you want to. I think that this is one of those journals where sitting on a table somewhere and just allowed to fall open would offer its own kind of beauty. The cover is made from some packaging material covered with fabric. The front cover has, you'll see several different layers. It has a vellum print here on top of a eco-dyed paper, and then several layers of different colored paper, then burlap, and some cheesecloth. So quite a variety of natural looking fibers. And then of course the leaves. I left this area here so that the tie could come through. But I think the colors in the leaves, excuse me, do well with the rest of the cover. Alrighty, now the inside cover has an eco-dyed leaf there also. This belongs to. And then a journaling card. You'll see a lot of these little booklets that I've made of different sizes with collaging on the front of them, and then you open and there's a lot of journaling space inside. One of the things that I like about this journal is almost, I'll probably say 90% of the pages are decorated. However, almost all of the pages offer some kind of journaling space, so you get both. This is a coffee-dyed graph paper with this wonderful handmade paper that you'll see throughout. Collage. This is, I used cardboard to stamp that on there to give some lines for journaling. This is the wonderful mushroom and fern illustrations in the Artsology Mushroom Splendor digital kit. This is printed on vellum, so that when you put a card underneath, it makes it stand out beautifully. And yet, you have your journaling card. Inside the side pocket, we have a little fold out. I love the little fabric tabs. I think they lend a little bit of different, not only texture, but print to the existing pages. And then a pocket at the top. And then, within, eco-dyed paper. And on this side, another mushroom with a card. And then here's the pocket that was in. Can't do a nature journal without Edith Holden. you'll see several of her pages in the journal. Now this is one of a couple of envelopes in the journal that I usually clip to one of the sides, one of the pages, and then there's 2 journaling cards within. And of course they're all stitched just to add to the detail. Alrighty. And then a little collage. You come to this side. And one of those booklets I told you about. I love the combination of the mushrooms, stitching, and label. Cool piece of eco-dyed paper. And I think it goes so beautifully with this, just to show the offset each other in the natural and the man-made. A fabric flip. Put all your secrets under there. You'll see stamping throughout and some stenciling. So on this page, you have this little booklet inside a pocketed booklet. And that's kind of what I meant when I said you'll have decorated pages, but lots of journaling space. Getting out of frame there, aren't I? Edith Holden. There are several of these flip outs. You simply take that out from under the tab. Lots of writing space. And you can see that this paper has been coffee dyed. And you have a tag over here that's become the pocket, and on it you have fern and the eco dyed and the label, and inside a tag. I like to have that showing a little bit with that beautiful red rose. Love the dragonfly stamp. This piece that is clipped here, take it off and open it up, is a, oh, that's a journaling card in that pocket. And over here you have a teeny tiny booklet, trimmed and put back in the pocket. But that folds over the page, so it gives you lots of journaling space inside, but then it also allows you the page to journal on. This is just another texture. Excuse me, please. Another one of the opening pockets. And this is used as a belly band, so underneath is a pretty journaling card. There we go. Edith Holden, this is a beautiful piece on the ivy. And this is open too. Just that I had to stop putting things in because it was getting to be a bit of a chunky monkey. So that's open for papers to go in. Little card in this pocket. And this is folded over and under to make another pocket with a small little booklet in it. There's Edith Holden. And this is the center of the signature. Excuse me for hitting that. And within these two pockets, you have these pretty butterfly journaling cards. And you also have, maybe we'll put that right there. You also have the some little charms hanging from the pockets. This is a card with a little butterfly on the tag so that you can then open up and journal underneath. Inside is a little Edith Holden piece with some sari silk. Over here is stenciling and a card or a tag with a little card inside to journal on, and inside of a pocket that is made from an eco-dyed print. I love all the colors of these very earthy colors. Fold out. You can journal on here and on this page. Booklet. And then again, you have this nice little mushroom booklet that opens up and also serves as a tuck for this extra journaling space. All decorated with layers and layers of papers and stitching and fabric. It was really fun to make. I really enjoyed it. This is a sack with a long card in it. Another fold out. Friends done on, I'm not going to remember the name of the material. Nope, sorry, don't. It'll come to me. Edith Holden. And then this is a decorated page, and then a little booklet. This is Edith Holden too. And then inside, another little spot. But I like the way all of them combine to make such a pretty page. This is a tag decorated with eco-dyed paper. And again, as in the last book, I like the depth that is achieved with the different size pages. You can see other pages around. Another fabric flap. Love that one. This is a big old marigold print. Alrighty, and then this piece folds out. Quite a bit of journaling space. Come back in, and then the booklet opens to journal. This is the same kind of envelope with journaling cards inside. Another eco-dyed. This is leaves from Black Eyed Susans, believe it or not. And this is the other side of this neat piece with the cards underneath the vellum images. I love those. That was prompted by Nikki Adigan. Her great ideas. Alrighty, and this has another cute little booklet on it that it goes in this pocket. And then inside these pockets are little tags. I like this feather stamp. And the last page, another of those tall, thin booklets, and journaling card. And this is a collage that's done with some of the vellum print and several other layers, including Edith Holden's Ivy. And then inside, oh, it's a journaling card. And the back, created by Penny Henry, and this pretty fabric that is the cover. And there you have it, my friends. These are turning out to be one of my favorite journals to make. I have a couple of others in the works. I'll get them out to you as soon as I can. These, if you're watching this on YouTube, good for you. I'll also have it on Facebook, and it will be listed in my Etsy store, PennyLaneJournals, as soon as I get the chance. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it. Bye-bye.